In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite team members in Monday.com. This quick and easy tutorial will guide you through the steps needed to effectively collaborate with your team. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you've logged into your Monday.com account. Once you're in, head over to the board you want to share with your team. You can do this by simply clicking on the board from your dashboard that you're planning to collaborate on. It's important to choose the right board because that's where all the magic is going to happen. Now, let's locate the invite option. Scan your eyes over to the upper right corner of your screen. There you'll notice a button labeled Invite. Go ahead and give it a click. When you do, a pop-up window will appear. This is a crucial step because it's where you'll manage your sharing options and send out invitations to your team members. Inside this pop-up window, you'll notice a search box eagerly waiting for you to start typing. You can enter the name or email of the team member you wish to invite to your board. Now, if they're already part of your organization on Monday.com, there's a good chance their details will automatically fill themselves in. This little feature saves you a bit of typing and speeds up the process. However, if the person you're inviting is new to the organization or just not showing up in the search, don't worry. You'll see an option to invite a new member by email. Click on this option. It'll prompt you to enter their email address manually. Once you've done that, this action will send out an invitation email directly to the new member. This email will let them know that you're inviting them to join and collaborate on the board, which is a great way to get everyone on the same page. Finally, let's make sure everything is set up correctly. To verify, you can check the Invite to this board page. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list of all the team members with whom you've shared the board. This is your chance to confirm that their names or emails are visible on this list. If everything looks good, then you're all set. And there you have it. You've now successfully invited team members to collaborate on your board within Monday.com. This process is not only straightforward, but also ensures seamless communication and collaboration across your team. It's a surefire way to keep everyone aligned and working efficiently together. Thanks for watching and happy project managing.